How long should law enforcement agencies be required to hold armed body camera videos? Good evening, I'm Kim Chapman.
And I'm Calvin Sneed. Now that's what lawmakers in the state of Georgia are trying to decide. NewsChannel 9's Catherine Marchand joins us now with how legislation passed by both the Georgia House and the Senate could make a big difference. Catherine.
Kim, Calvin, currently all recordings from body cameras and dash cameras are saved for at least 5 years in Georgia. But if Governor Deal signs a new bill into law, the amount of time police would have to keep them will be much shorter.
The reason I'm pulling you over is because your tax expired since July of last year.
Body camera video like this creates a record of interactions between police and the public, but it comes with a cost.
The body-worn cameras are not very expensive, relatively speaking. What's expensive is the amount of storage and data.
That's why Dalton Police Chief Jason Parker says he supports legislation to reduce the amount of time his department has to store body and dash cam video from 5 years to 6 months. There would be a few exceptions.
If there's an arrest, or if there's use of force involved, or if a criminal investigation is part of the video, or if there's an accident that shows on the video, that we'll still be retaining that video for 30 months.
4 years would be sufficient. 30 months is nothing.
Criminal defense attorney and former state legislator McCracken Poston believes the video should be stored for at least 4 years, which is the statute of limitations for a felony in Georgia.
Law enforcement could, under this new provision, get rid of the evidence and then bring the charge.
But Chief Parker says it's simply a storage issue, nothing more, and says the 30-month period exceeds both the state and federal time requirement to start a lawsuit.
I think the concern is that that people won't be able to file a complaint in time or something like that. I think, though, that it's reasonable given the fact that it still allows 30 months if there's an issue.
The Dalton Police Department has 55 boxes with more than 2,500 DVDs of both dash and body video recordings. Kim?
Catherine, thank you. And according to Chief Parker, less than 2% of the time the use of force or an arrest is required.
A 50-mile